The overall goal of the following experiment is to show the basic principles of a positron emission tomography system using two pairs of photodetectors.
The main advantage of using this prototype over commercial PET systems is that users can see clearly the basic working principles of PET. We first had the idea for this system when we sought to elaborate a lab activity for master students in the medical physics field. Demonstrating the procedure will be Marcos Fontaine, a technician from my laboratory.
Begin work on the PET setup by preparing the detection system. Make each detector using a photomultiplier tube and a polished plastic scintillator piece. Design the scintillator piece to match the size and shape of the photomultiplier tube light entrance to allow good coupling. The next step is to wrap the scintillator in black tape. Leave one side uncovered to be coupled with the photomultiplier tube light entrance. Put the scintillator aside and begin working with the photomultiplier tube. Use alcohol and a clean cloth to clean the photomultiplier tube light entrance. When this is done, get optical grease and apply it to the light entrance until it is covered completely. Return to work with the scintillator and apply optical grease to its uncovered surface. After the optical grease has been applied, align the photomultiplier light entrance.